Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu ittaqullaha wabtaghu ilayhi al-wasilata wajahidu fi sabilihi la'allakum tuflihun. Translation: O you believers, fear Allah to be pious and seek the means of coming near to Him and struggle fighting in His way so that you may be successful. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used a word, this wasila, that has made many people confused. In Arabic language, there are few words that have very different meaning than in Urdu, and wasila is also one of those words. In Arabic language, wasila means to get closer to someone, while in Urdu it means intercessor or a resource. And in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is using this word for seeking the means of coming close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Another meaning of wasila is a very high position in Jannah that, according to the hadith, will be given to only one person. The word taqwa is also an important word to be understood. The translation of taqwa is often done as fearing Allah. However, this fear is not like somebody will be fearful to a scorpion or a snake or like a lion or something. But this fear is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may not become unhappy with us and we may not get away from the mercy of Allah. So this is taqwa, and that's the reason Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned taqwa, and after taqwa He has mentioned the wasila, meaning getting close to Him. And how do we get close to anything? When we cross the distance between us and that other person or other position. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that as wajahidu fi sabilihi, that do the jihad or do the struggle in the path of Allah so that you can get close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And once a person is close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he gets the falah, he gets the success, and this is the real success in this life and hereafter, if a person can get falah and can be among muflihun. So if we confuse the Urdu meaning and the Arabic meaning of wasila, the interpretation will become very difficult and wrong, and we must try to understand the Arabic language. Some of the words in the Arabic language are very different in meaning when used in Arabic language or used in Urdu language. For example, a word zalil in Urdu meaning as dishonored, while in Arabic language zalil means weak. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used this word for the Sahaba Kalam in Surah Al-Imran, ayah number 123, وَلَقَدْ نَصَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ بِبَدْرٍ وَأَنْتُمْ أَذِلَّةٌ. That, O Muslims, remember that time Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala helped you at the time of Badr when you were weak. So we must try not to confuse the Urdu meaning and the Arabic meaning of the same or similar words. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.